how to subscribe to Discovery Plus on Android. If you have got the Discovery Plus account and then you would like to go and subscribe to its plan, it's actually quite simple. First of all, you open the Discovery Plus application, and this is the type of normal interface that you will be able to see. When you're here, if you have not yet created an account, you will be asked to create an account. If you have already created an account and not purchased the membership, then you will be asked or popped up to purchase the membership. So let's just wait until this page has loaded up and see what it has to tell us. So right off the bat, it says that I have an inactive subscription. So here I can simply tap on the choose your plan button. So let me just tap on the choose your plan option that I can find, and after I've done that, simply select the plan. So let's just wait again until this page is loaded up. We have the $4.99 a month plan or ad-free $8.99 a month plan, just based on what you want. Tap on the continue button, tap on subscribe and pay. From the bottom, you have multiple payment options to choose from. So you can add a credit or debit card to your Google account, or you can load with your PayPal account, or you can also redeem a gift card, which is a Google Play gift card if you have. So based on what you want, simply add a desired payment method. If it is card, go ahead and then type in your payment info and tap on the save card option and subscribe to it, and you'll be able to subscribe to their premium plan. This way you'll be able to subscribe to Discovery Plus on Android. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.